Hello everyone, welcome to Shriram's IS YouTube channel where we cover daily current affairs with you. This is your mentor Arzu Kakkar, and in this session I'll be talking about a topic that was in news that is regarding Bhopal gas tragedy. तो अगर आप आर्टिकल्स न्यूज़पेपर फॉलो करते हो तो आपने देखा होगा एक ऐसी हेडलाइन आर्टिकल के अंदर कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट डिसमिस द सेंटर्स क्यूरेटिव पेटिशन फॉर मोर कंपनसेशन. So there was a curative petition by the center for more compensation towards the victims of Bhopal gas tragedy. तो आपके लिए थोड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट ये भी जानना हो जाता है अबाउट भोपाल गैस ट्रेजेडी. उस टाइम पे विच गैस एंड द कंपनी एसोसिएटेड, तो ये कुछ नाम जो है ये पता होने चाहिए प्रीलिम्स पर्सपेक्टिव से. सो जो आर्टिकल है, जो न्यूज़ है, वो इस तरीके की है. 14th of March को सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने दे डिसमिस्ड अ क्यूरेटिव पेटिशन. सो नाउ व्हाट इज क्यूरेटिव पेटिशन, ये भी पता होना चाहिए. वेट फॉर अ मिनट, सब बताएंगे. तो अ क्यूरेटिव पेटिशन वॉज फाइल्ड बाय द सेंटर. दिस पेटिशन वॉज सीकिंग एडिशनल फंड्स फ्रॉम द यूनियन कार्बाइड कॉर्पोरेशन सक्सेसर्स फर्म्स for extending higher compensation to the victims of 1984 Bhopal gas tragedy, which led to the death of 3,000 people and it caused environmental damage too. तो अगर आपने भोपाल गैस ट्रेजेडी के बारे में, मतलब 1984 की ये ट्रेजेडी जब हुई थी आफ्टर अ गैस दैट वाज मिथाइल आइसोसिनेट. सो दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू रिमेंबर दैट मिथाइल आइसोनेट वाज द टॉक्सिक गैस दैट वाज लीक फ्रॉम यूनियन कार्बाइड्स फैक्ट्री इन भोपाल. इट अफेक्टेड 3,000 people. More than it led to the death of over 3,000 people, affected 1 lakh and more numbers. So the Union Carbide Corporation gave a compensation also that it was of 715 crores in 1989. So this is the case. If you see Union of India and others versus Union Carbide Corporation and others, center sought for 7,844 crores from this firm through a curative petition. This was filed in 2010 and the center under this petition is demanding for additional compensation for the victims. So curative petition is basically a petition that can be filed after the review plea against the final conviction is dismissed. So when there is a case और उसके बाद क्या होता है, आपने एक review plea डाली but then it also got dismissed, so then curative petition is filed after that review plea against that conviction is dismissed. तो आप फिर एक बार बोलते हो कि एक और curative petition जो है डाली जा सकती है. So it is meant to ensure that there is no miscarriage of justice and to prevent the abuse of the process. So the center claims for this curative petition was on the demand of re-examination of the Supreme Court's order when compensation was decided, that was 750 crores. So censor sought that it should be now 7,844 crores. It should be sought from this firm. It was a curative petition that was filed, but now Supreme Court came up with the judgment, and according to that, they admitted under basically the Supreme Court's verdict is that it was admitted in the proceedings culminating the court's order that the amount of settlement was found to be surplus of the actual requirement. So here Supreme Court dismissed that curative petition for more compensation. So आपके लिए important जो है that goes about the Bhopal gas tragedy, the gas associated with it, the company associated with it, and what do you understand by curative petition. So ये सब जो 3-4 doubts हैं ये कभी नहीं होने चाहिए based on आपकी जो basic knowledge है उसके regarding. So this was it. I hope you enjoyed this session. For more such videos, do share these sessions and do subscribe to Shriram's IS YouTube channel. I, Arzu Kakkar, signing off. We'll meet you tomorrow in the other sessions. Till then, take care everyone. Good luck, good wishes.